In this video, we'll explore the different types of miniature circuit breakers or MCBs, their characteristics, and where they're used. First up, we have Type A MCBs. These are the most sensitive, tripping at just 2 to 3 times the rated current. They react instantly, with a trip time of less than 0.01 seconds. Type A MCBs are typically used in circuits with delicate semiconductor devices, precision control circuits, and measuring instruments. These applications demand high sensitivity to even the smallest electrical surges. Next, let's talk about Type B MCBs. These trip at 3 to 5 times the rated current and are designed for circuits with low inrush currents. The tripping time can range from 0.04 to 13 seconds, depending on the fault current. Type B MCBs are commonly used in residential lighting, small appliances, and fan circuits. Now, Type C MCBs. These trip at 5 to 10 times the rated current, with a tripping time of 0.04 to 5 seconds. They are ideal for circuits with moderate inrush currents, like motors, transformers, and fluorescent lighting. Type C is typically found in commercial and industrial settings. Moving on to Type D MCBs. These have a higher tripping current, ranging from 10 to 20 times the rated current. With a tripping time of 0.04 to 3 seconds, they're perfect for heavy-duty industrial applications, such as large motors, compressors, and welding machines. These circuits experience high inrush currents during startup, so Type D MCBs provide the necessary protection. Next is the Type K MCB, which trips at 8 to 12 times the rated current. It's designed for circuits with inductive loads, like transformers and motors that experience significant current surges. The tripping time for Type K is between 0.05 and 3 seconds, ensuring protection while accommodating those high inrush currents. Finally, we have the Type Z MCB, which is also highly sensitive, tripping at just 2 to 3 times the rated current. These MCBs react very quickly, with a tripping time of less than 0.01 seconds. Type Z is often used to protect sensitive electronic circuits, like computers and medical equipment, where even small surges could cause damage. To wrap it up, here's a quick comparison of all the MCB types we've covered. As you can see, each type is designed for specific applications based on the tripping current range and tripping time, from Type A's super-sensitive protection for delicate electronics to Type D and K for industrial machinery. Choosing the right MCB can make a big difference in keeping your circuit safe. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and leave a comment below with any questions. Stay safe, and we'll see you in the next video.